Hello sweetie, welcome back to Making Royal's Kitchen. Today we are making banana wine. The easiest steps to banana wine. You cannot afford to miss this. I have my banana and I have washed it well. You can wash it with salt, anything you want. And even if you have vinegar, you can wash it with vinegar. I will be peeling it one by one, as you can see in the video. Then I'll place it in the bowl. So I want to welcome you once again, and I want to thank you all for tuning in to this channel. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to this family. In here we show love and we are all one. Thank you for joining this family, and please subscribe and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure to subscribe before you leave. And to my return viewers and my new subscribers, I want to thank you all for your support. Please keep on supporting this channel, and please bring in your comments. I cannot see your comment this year. Please, I want to see your comments. I am really looking forward to see your comments, please. So please comment down below. Let me know where you are watching me from, so that I can give you a shout out, okay? have a plastic wine glass. I'll pour my wine in it. I have it because of my case, but sometimes I use it myself because it's cute. So I'll pour the rest of it in it because I'll be drinking this later. Please be sure not to give this to your case because it's fermented, and if your case drinks it is not good, so you have to have it yourself. And please don't consume a lot of it because your eyes will be turning. Just enjoy it little by little with your husband or friends around. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed.